Every organization has the potential to be more than just a workplace. It can be a community, a force for positive change, and a source of passion and purpose for everyone involved. And we can help you awaken that fire within your organization. My name is Catherine Bell. I'm a speaker, author, and consultant who specializes in awakening organizations through strategy with soul consulting. I believe that in order to truly thrive, businesses need to embrace mindfulness, self-awareness, and conscious leadership. I've worked with organizations of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, and across a wide range of industries. I've seen time and time again that when businesses prioritize the well-being and growth of their employees, they also see a direct impact on their bottom line. I will guide your audience on a journey of self-discovery, helping them to embrace mindfulness, self-awareness, and conscious leadership. I provide active tools and strategies that empower transformation. Are you ready to create a workplace that inspires? Contact me today and let's awaken together.